For the refrigerator, at nighttime, to help conserve the battery, go ahead and press the little moon. And when you press it on, it will go ahead and turn off the compressor for 12 hours. And if for some reason the refrigerator does start beeping, what you can always do is you can always turn off the power for the refrigerator. And that will make sure that it will stop beeping. If it is beeping, it's because your battery's low. If your battery's low and it's not full, you're going to need to run the generator for up to 2 hours to charge it.